Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Make sure the lens has an AF motor and the body supports it, otherwise autofocus won't work. Once done, switch the lens to AF and set the camera AF mode, one shot for stills, servo for moving subjects. Make sure the lens is mounted and locked, then power the camera on. You want a stable base, handhold with steady breath or use a tripod. This gets the system live and ready, so the next steps will engage the AF mechanism reliably. Now choose where the camera should aim. Pick a single focus point for precision or a zone when the subject moves. You trigger AF by half-pressing the shutter, hold pressure to maintain focus, or assign AF to the AF on button for back button AF, which separates focus from shutter release. Once the camera confirms focus, you can recompose while holding the half-press or AF on. This prevents the camera from refocusing on the background. Make sure focus confirmation appears in the viewfinder before you take the shot. Finish by fine-tuning. If your shots front or back focus consistently, perform AF micro-adjustment or send the lens for calibration. This aligns lens and body. If AF hunts in dim light or on low-contrast targets, switch to manual focus and use focus peaking or live view magnification. Once done, try alternate AF modes and update camera or lens firmware and make sure electrical contacts are clean. If autofocus still fails, test a different lens or body to isolate the issue. This quickly identifies hardware versus settings problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.